Hello friends, welcome back to English Journey Vlogs. Today is day 5 my 90 days English speaking challenge, and today I will take you on a tour of my village. Life is here simple but so beautiful. This is my village. You can see greenery everywhere, fresh air, trees and fields, and a smell of the soil make this place very special. Away from the noise of the city, here we find peace. It has mango trees and some other plants too. You can see. Friends, look. This is guava plant. So friends, let's break it one guava and taste it. Friends, wow, this is very sweet. There are also so spiky grasses here. You can see. You can see this is jackfruit plant. It has not yet matured, and this is a pomegranate plant. Friends, the tail plants you can see behind me are maybe teak plants. I'm not confirmed, but if you know what is it called, please tell me in comment section. So friends, you will definitely stay with us in this video. Friends, this is my house. It is not very big, but I love it, and this is also my home. I will live here with my family. We all work together and help each other. Friends, you know, people in the village are very hardworking. They wake up early in the morning and go to the field. Some people take care of animals. Village life is not easy, but it is full of the love and togetherness. Friends, you know, in the village you will also find many animals. For example, cows, buffaloes and goats and hens. Wait a minute, I am showing my cows and goats. Wait a minute, friends. This is my cows, and this is my goats. People get milk and eggs and many things from them. Children love to play with him. You know, friends, the village in food is very tasty. Vegetable come directly from the farm, and the grains are also fresh. Our food is very simple, but it is healthy. You know, friends, in the evening, the village becomes even more beautiful. When the sun sets, people return from the work, and children play, and elders sit together and talk. The village evening is truly heart-touching. So friends, this was my village. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.